The fish. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's a good fish. Yeah. Wow. I never expect to catch this much big mulloway fish. Actually, I never expect to catch mulloway fish in this time with this lures. Oh my goodness. However, that's a big catch. That's a big catch for me. Wow. What? Good morning, mates. Another beautiful morning. So today I'm heading to the surf. So I'm going to use lures. So last time when I'm doing surf fishing, I used lures and bait. So it was the bait versus lure challenge. So we caught that much of fish from the bait and zero from the lures. So I couldn't land any fish from the lures. So today I'm going to try only lures. So I want to beat that challenge. Yeah, normally I love to fishing with lures in any way I go. So let's see what will happen. It will be same like last time or not. Let's start fishing. So today little bit cloudy, but it's very beautiful day. So it's very beautiful morning to start fishing. So hopefully we can land bluefish or aggressive salmon, maybe tawali. It's still not much here, but it's getting rough. So I'm starting fishing with my light rod Pen PS3. So if we can catch good fish from this lightweight rod, so it will be more fun. Yeah, mate. So for the first cast, I didn't have any bite, but I'm not give up. I cannot see any fish activities there, so I'm just blind casting. I'm thinking some fish can be gathered in this area. Yeah, this area looks pretty deep, so hopefully hook into another good fish. So today I'm using for surf fishing Pen Alliance rod, and the reel is Pen Spinfisher 6500. So this reel is very nice to cast and very nice to reel back. It's very easy. This rod and the reel is very lightweight, so it's very easy to handle. So if you not watch my last time bait versus lure challenge, just go to my page and check. It was a fun day. Yeah, I could land a lot of big massive salmon from my bait. Yes, the fish. Yeah. Oh, that's a good fish. Yep. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a decent sized fish. Oh yes. Oh, giving a good fight. Wow. Oh. Yeah. Should be a good size fish, giving a big fight. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, it's very hard to land with the waves. Yeah, should be a salmon or tail. All right. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's a nice fish. Yep. Giving a big fight. Should be a nice salmon. Yep, it's coming to the beach side, I think. Yep. Whoa, giving good head shake. Oh no, I don't want to lose this. I don't want to lose this fish. Yeah, this should be a good size fish. Oh, that's a good fight. That's the fun of fishing. That's the fun of fishing. Wow, guys. Wow, man. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. Wow. Wow, what a catch. Wow, guys. Oh my goodness, that's a good size of fish. That's a fish. That's a fish. I'm waiting for a long time. Oh my goodness, that's a big mulloway fish. That's a big one. This is the biggest mulloway fish I have ever caught in my entire life. Wow, I never expect to catch this much big mulloway fish. Actually, I never expect to catch mulloway fish in this time with this lures. Okay guys, let's see how big is this massive mulloway fish. Tail to mouth, exactly 72 centimeters. Wow guys, 72 centimeters big. Wow. So this is my first mulloway fish I caught while doing surf fishing. Exactly 72 centimeters big. Wow, what a personal best. Oh my goodness. That's a good catch. That's a good All catch. Right, time to go, buddy. Time to go back to your home. Whoa, nice. Nice. Woo. Oh, finally. Wow. What a big fish. Finally you made my day. Yoo-hoo! Nice morning. Woo! Wow guys, that was an incredible first catch. Never expect to catch mulloway fish today. Actually, I never expect to catch while doing surf fishing from lures. Oh my goodness. However, that will be my best highlight of the day. Wow, what a catch. Nice fish of the day. So let's try again. Let's see what we can hook into next. Let's go. I cannot see any fish activity there. Actually, I'm casting blindly. So I'm just casting and checking, giving any bites or not. So normally we can get very aggressive fish bites from salmon or bluefish. So I'm always like to catch salmon or tailor. They give me good fun. However, today nice fun day. Wow. Suddenly weather got changed. The sky got black. Big storm coming from that area. Yeah. So before that storm, let's see we can catch more fish or not. Oh wow. Fish on. Yeah, there we go. Fish on, guys. Wow. Should be a decent sized fish. Last time nothing for the lures, but this time, yeah, this time giving good fight. Should be a salmon or a bluefish, probably. Normally in this area always catching salmon and tailor. Yeah, it looks like a salmon. Yeah, okay, let's see. Yes, guys. Oh yeah. That's a big size salmon. Nice. Alright, got a nice size salmon. Not a very big size, but I'll take it. Okay, see you, buddy. Oh, that's a good catch. So mates, weather changing so fast and it's getting worse and waves getting more rough. So end of the day I didn't catch a lot more fish, but definitely the highlight of the day, that massive big fella, the mulloway fish, 72 centimeter. So that is my new personal best. So I did really enjoy today's fishing adventure. If you guys enjoyed it, please put the thumbs up. Possibly think about subscribing if you haven't. See you guys in next fishing adventure. Always stay tuned with Aussie Mate. See you, mate.